So, if you have any doubt regarding my session, like a JARVIS video or any other coding contents regarding Unreal Engine, MetaHuman, AI, etc., guys, feel free to contact us in the Discord channel as I've given the link in the description. We have created a new page for you guys to help solve your issues. So you can see I've created a clarified doubts forum for people to message here with a tag of error solver to ping them instantly. So if you are new to Discord, I'll teach you how to do this. In my videos, click any of the videos and you can set the description for the direct Discord link, and you can directly open your Discord using your Google Chrome. You just need to log in with your credentials. That's it. If you have downloaded Discord, you will need to go to the Discord directly, or else you can go to the web page. Just inside this, you'll be finding the Clarify Doubts forum, and inside the Clarify Doubts forum, you can type your query with the tag of the error solver, and the error solvers who are online will immediately try to help you out, guys. Just now we are a small community and we need some more people. If you are a good error solver or something else like that, good programmer or good creator, etc., you can also join our Discord channel and ping me that you can help some people, and I'll also give you the error solver role so that you can also help people. So if you are not satisfied with this Discord server forum, you can also directly DM me through my Instagram account. You can find the Instagram account right here, KARTIS Official. You can click on that and you will be prompted with KARTIS Official direct Instagram page. You can message me directly, and what's the problem in here is I can't support them at earliest time. You can see he messaged me Thursday and I just replied on Friday. So this is what the problem comes in Discord. You can find the answers very quickly. Maybe in the error solve, even the error solvers are active, they'll try to help you out, guys. That's what I'm going to say. You can see I have joined the KARTIS YT and its welcome channel links, etc. We can go to the Clarify Doubts forum right here. Click on the Clarify Doubts forum and you can see some messages right here which I have posted. Here to help you regarding coding doubts, etc. And Mr. Prince also added a message and pinned this message right here. Okay, so you can see the YouTubers 1 and error solvers. 4 people are available in the error solver session. So 4 error solvers are right now available. So let's ask any doubt regarding our project. So let's say first we need to tag the error solvers. You can see error solvers, and I need to clarify a doubt. Okay, I'll put a message here. Let's see how many people replies. Actually, there are 4 error solvers available. Oh, yes, Mr. Prince is typing. Okay, 2 people are typing right now. Okay, 3 people are typing right now. Mr. Prince, TVK Urupiner and Toothukudi Karanle. Okay. Hi bro, what's your doubt? Can you elaborate the error? Okay, 2 people replied instantly. You can see today at 8:55 p.m. I message, and they replied in just 8.6, just 1 minute gap. Okay, of course you can explain the problem. Okay, 3 people are actively online and participating in the error solving sessions. Let's ask a doubt regarding our face recognition. Many people will get the error in the face recognition. Okay, I've typed I have seen the face recognition tutorial in KARTIS channel and I am unable to install face recognition module. It shows me error called legacy install failure. Please assist me with this, guys. Okay, let's send this. Let's wait for the error solvers to reply for this one. Toothukudi Karan is typing, Mr. Prince is typing. Guys, forgive us for those insane names, guys. It's just for fun. And if you are an Indian, South Indian, you'll understand these words, with what they refer to. Looks like the module isn't installed on your system, bro. Don't worry. Yes, absolutely. It is not installing. Pip install cmake. Use this on your command prompt. Okay, a good answer actually. Pip install dlib. Yeah, this is a good answer because I have already put a video regarding this error. I guess you should pip install some libraries in the CMD. Pip install cmake, pip install dlib. Yes, this is also a good answer. Actually, you can see I am something like a KGT, crazy game something. These guys don't know that I am KARTIS, but they are responding immediately. Also, KARTIS uploaded a video about how to solve this error. Seriously? Wow. They also provided me with the link. Thanks, bro. Sure. What is this emoji? If you need some more help, please don't hesitate to ask. What a great hearted fellow. This emoji is somehow annoying, bro. I don't know why. But this guy is typing right now. We'll see what. Naanga irukom, okay? That means in Tamil, we are here to help. இன்னும் error இருந்துச்சுன்னா VC வாங்க, which means if you still got the error, he need us to join the voice chat. Actually, we can just click on the voice chat and you'll be joining your session. Yeah, Discord wants to access your microphone. Just you need to click on the allow and you'll be these guys will be joining immediately when you click on this button. Hi bro.
Hello.
வணக்கம்.
என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் ப்ரோ?
ப்ரோ நான் தான் ப்ரோ KARTIS வேற அக்கௌண்ட் வந்து உங்களுக்கு டெஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன்.
ஓ நீங்க தானா?
பரவாயில்லப்பா, யூ கைஸ் ஆர் குட்.
தலைவரே
நான் தான்ப்பா. சரி 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 போதும் போதும். நிறுத்துக்கடா. ஆமா ஆமா சரி, அப்புறம் வரேன், அப்புறம் பேசுவோம். லைவ் இது ரெக்கார்டிங் முடிச்சுட்டு வரேன்.